we created, after doing a lot of research, we created that we want everyone to be like Buddha, like Mahavira, like Shiva, Adi Yogi. Not, if you wanted to do it massively. If you wanted to do any good things, do it massively, very greatly. Why to compromise little bit? That's what our intention. And of course, how to do it in the day-to-day life? We are busy with so many things in the morning, family, friends, life, job and everything. So we invented one way that how to do meditation in the night time. Night time we sleep for 6 to 8 hours. That time we can utilize for the meditation. That is our research from the past 2 decades. So once you, that starts from the March 3rd, Mahashivaratri. So all night meditation to become amazing mastery, great master, grandmaster in the meditation. You're doing meditation, some benefits are there. 1 or 2 benefits might be there or will come. But if you wanted to take the benefits to the whole, then we give that advanced course.